Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your iPhone not receiving pictures? Don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and fix this issue. Let's get started. First, ensure your iPhone is connected to the internet. Verify your Wi-Fi or cellular connection. If there are issues, try juggling airplane mode on and off to reset your network connection. Sometimes a simple restart can solve this issue. Press and hold the power button until the slider to power off appears. Slide it to turn off your iPhone. Then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Make sure your iPhone is running on the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, then General and tap Software Update. If there is any update available, tap Download and Install. Ensure to check the iMessage setting. Go to Settings, then Messages, and make sure iMessage is enabled. Also, ensure that Send as SMS is turned on. This allows messages to be sent as SMS if iMessage is unavailable. If your iPhone is low on storage, it might not be able to send pictures. Go to Settings, then General and tap on iPhone Storage. Free up some space if needed. If you are still having issues, try resetting your network setting. Go to the Setting app, then General, and scroll down to Reset. Tap Reset Network Setting. This will erase your saved Wi-Fi password that could resolve network issues. If the problem persists, it might be a more complex issue. Contact Apple support for further assistance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of not receiving pictures on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.